Are we the aliens? The standard answer is that about 4 billion years ago, in a primordial soup of chemicals on Earth, lightning struck or a volcano erupted, and poof, life began. But there's a problem. Life appeared on Earth almost the second the planet was cool enough to hold it. It's like a party starting before the invitations were even sent out. This has led some of the world's smartest scientists to a radical conclusion. Life didn't start here, it arrived here. This is the theory of panspermia. Today we're exploring the possibility that you, your cat, and every blade of grass on this planet are actually of extraterrestrial origin. What is panspermia? The basics animated Greek text translating pan to all and sperma to seed. Panspermia literally means seeds everywhere. It suggests that life exists throughout the universe, distributed by space dust, meteoroids, and asteroids. Think of the universe as a giant garden. Instead of life growing in just one pot Earth, the seeds are constantly blowing in the wind, landing wherever the soil is, right? There are three main flavors of this theory. Lithopanspermia. Life hitches a ride inside rocks blasted off other planets. Radiopanspermia. Microscopic life is pushed across space by the light of stars. Directed panspermia. This is the sci-fi version. It suggests an advanced civilization intentionally sent seed ships to Earth billions of years ago. This isn't just a wild guess. We have evidence. In recent years, including major breakthroughs leading into 2026, we've analyzed rocks from space and found something shocking. We found amino acids. These are the building blocks of life. We've found them on the Murchison meteorite and in samples returned from asteroids by NASA and JAXA. Microscopic footage of a tardigrade water bear. But could a living thing survive the trip? Meet the tardigrade. In tests on the International Space Station, these water bears were kicked out into the vacuum of space, no oxygen, extreme cold, intense radiation. When they were brought back in, they woke up, ate, and reproduced like nothing happened. Narrator: if a tiny animal can survive space, a bacterium tucked deep inside a cold, dark asteroid could easily survive a million-year journey. A red, dusty Mars transitioning into a blue, watery Mars from 4 billion years ago. Here's where it gets local. 4 billion years ago, Mars was actually more habitable than Earth. It was cooler, had oceans, had a stable atmosphere, while Earth was still a molten ball of fire. An asteroid hitting Mars could have sent Martian rocks flying toward Earth. We have found over 100 Martian meteorites on Earth already. One of them, ALH 84001, made world headlines because it looked like it contained fossilized bacteria. While scientists are still debating that specific rock, the logic holds. We might all be Martians who moved to Earth when the neighborhood got better. Modern lab setting. Scientists looking at DNA sequences on holographic screens. As of 2026, our technology to sequence ancient DNA has reached a peak. We are finding that the genetic code is incredibly complex, so complex that some argue it couldn't have evolved from scratch in the short time Earth has been around. But we have to be honest. Panspermia has a big flaw. It doesn't explain how life started, just kicks the can down the road. If life came from another star system, how did it start there? It's a where, not a how, but knowing the where changes everything about our search for aliens. If panspermia is real, life isn't rare, it's a cosmic infection. Epic montage of space exploration, the James Webb Telescope, and a sunset on Earth. If panspermia is true, we aren't alone in the universe. We are part of a massive galactic family tree. We are just one branch of a forest that spans the stars. We are currently looking for life on Europa and Enceladus. If we find microbes there and they share our DNA, that's the smoking gun. It would prove that the seeds of life are drifting through the dark, just waiting for a place to land. So, the next time you look up at a shooting star, don't just make a wish. Say thank you. That might have been how we got here in the first place. Fade to black with the text, "Are we the aliens?" Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe.